What kind of class management is applied in the case of Teacher Lenny, who attends to every situation as it comes? Kapag ka nangyayari, hoping to meet it as it comes without much foresight and preparation. Kumbaga, kulang yung preparasyon, no? Kulang yung planning, kulang yung preparasyon ni Teacher Lenny. So what is this? Would this be letter A, proactive, letter B, reinforcing, letter C, heading on, or letter D, reactive? What do you think is the right choice for this item? Tumpak na choice, of course, for this one, tama po kayo, that is letter D, reactive, no? So bilang mga teachers, bilang even as parents, no, we have to be proactive. Ano po yung pagkakaiba ng ating proactive at reactive? Kapag sinabi yung pong pro, di ba? Pro means before. Bago pa po siya mangyari, di ba? So meron ka ng mga set na rules or meron ka ng routines inside your classroom, no? Para maiwasan po yung kaguluhan, para po maiwasan ang misbehavior inside your classroom. No? That's proactive, bago pa po siya mangyari. Ang reactive naman, kapag ka nangyari na, saka ka lang magre-react, di ba? So yung action mo ay ginagawa mo after the fact, di ba? After na mangyari yung isang bagay,